try to paint something using Viviva Colorsheets. So now I have stains on my fingers because I think you're supposed to hold it right here instead of like over here, because there's a chance that you might grab some of those paints and it will stain your hands. So I'm just gonna wash my hands later. I want to start painting something first. I'm gonna grab some deep pink. And maybe add a little bit of magenta. I am struggling with flipping the pages and looking for the color that I want, but I guess this is really better for like traveling when you're painting outside. Okay, just going to try and like scribble some strokes. Just paint a loose color. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit of yellow. Now let's try to add a different color for the outer petals. And just gonna try to like have fun. Right, so it seems like it's staining my porcelain palette. Oh no! Okay, it's spreading. I think I'm gonna have to change my mixing palette because I don't want it to stain. I hope I can rinse it off with soap later. Alright, so I was able to save my palette and I was able to just rinse off the pigment using dishwashing soap. I don't think I want to use my palette because it's just too precious. I don't want to get any stains on it, so we're just going to use this mixing palette included in the set. I'm gonna have to get some violet. Okay, now let's move on, and I was able to grab some violet. Let's just add some maybe small fillers. So you can actually add a lot of water to dilute it and be able to create a lighter shade. Now this is crimson, and I think I'd like to add some more of those violet. Now I can't find it. Okay. Alright, so try to just put some paint here first instead of just flipping through, because I think that's faster. And let's just add some more small flowers. Oh, this one looks good. This is the color Prussian blue, and it's a nice deep color. And add a little bit of violet, Maybe we can add some greens. This is Viridian with a little bit of sap green. And then I'm gonna grab some crimson. Let's just paint another flower here. So I'm struggling a little bit with flipping the pages, but I think that if you're traveling with this, it might be a better option than using a half pan set, because it's so light and really convenient to bring. Let's grab some burnt sienna. Okay. So I'm just trying to doodle a painting just so we can try this watercolor. Okay, I think I'd like to grab some vermilion. I'm just going to paint some imaginary flowers. Okay, now let's go back to the greens. Let's try out light green again. Okay. Oh, that's a beautiful blend. This is Viridian. I wish that they could add indigo next time. That would be a nice addition. Okay, then you can add some small blue flowers. Just gonna dab my brush. Just let it bleed. Okay, there's too much water. We made a mess over here. I'm just going to layer this. Maybe we can just paint some leaves instead. And then just going to extend some branches. Okay, I made another mistake. Okay. Overall, I think that, yeah, if I were just to paint at home, I would prefer a half pan set where everything is laid out instead of like flipping through pages. But if I will be traveling, I think that this will be like a good option to bring because it's just so compact. So I think the appeal of this paint is really for people who are on the go. But I do love that it's super vibrant. Alright, so we are done with the painting and also with the swatches. So do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. In terms of the quality, the colors are really vibrant and they do spread nicely as well on wet paper. I do think though that you need to really get used to this color sheets because I had a hard time. As you can see, I really scrambled flipping through pages looking for the colors that I need. But I guess once you get used to it, it will be very convenient and easy to use. You'll also need to learn how to control your water when you're mixing with this color sheet. So that's it. Those are my thoughts and thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye!